All right, hello everyone, and a warm welcome to my new program, AI Charged. If you don't know, my name is Mustafa, and I'm a software engineer. I earned my bachelor's degree in software engineering from RIT in New York. I have 10 years of experience in software and in tech, and in the last 2 years, since the start of the AI wave, I invested a lot of hours and effort into learning about AI and using AI. And this program is the accumulated knowledge of 2 years passed down to you in the aim of helping you become more educated in the field of AI. So whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just someone who is hungry to understand and be part of the best future opportunity, you're in the right place. We'll be breaking down the foundations of AI, discuss major important topics and the state of AI, so you're more aware of the future. We're going to be exploring real-world, cutting-edge, very useful tools and how to make money with AI. And we will build an AI-powered application and so much more together in this program. My main goal and the sole purpose of this program is to make you very aware of AI in all aspects, but this program is very direct and to the point, minus all the fluff that you don't really need to know about. So you don't need a tech background or know how to code like myself. You just need commitment and curiosity about AI to use it to change your life and the world for the better, because it is the future. So you likely know about ChatGPT by now. It was one of if not the first AI technology that really started to revolutionize our world, and it can be accessed by anyone all across the world. It got a lot of the AI movements to start since its launch on November 30th, 2022. So AI is creating many opportunities in the world right now and more in the upcoming future. So take the richest young man in the world right now. So Alexander Wang, he's the founder of Scale AI, and he's the world's youngest billionaire according to Forbes. So technology for the last at least 3 decades, it created the world's youngest millionaires and billionaires. And more specifically now with AI, it will continue to create the most wealth and impact on the world and people's lives. So I bring this example to show you how valuable and profitable AI can really be. And in this program, we will explore in depth every aspect of AI from its vast fields and how you can use it to impact the world positively and make the most wealth at the same time. So you might be wondering, how does one become so valuable at a young age to become a billionaire? So as an example, this company, Scale AI, is an American data annotation company in San Francisco, California. It provides labeled data used to train AI applications. So in other words, labeled data in the context of machine learning refers to raw data like images, text, or audio that has been assigned meaningful tags or labels to provide context. So this enables models to learn and make predictions faster and more accurately. So for the company Scale, this is just one example to give you an idea of a very valuable and successful AI company that is really benefiting major tech companies that is implementing AI right now. So tech companies use scale data and services to further better their AI development. So big tech companies in the world work with Scale. You have companies like OpenAI, Meta, Microsoft, US Air Force, and the Defense Innovation Unit. So all these major big tech companies are using the company Scale AI to further develop their AI models using their data. So this is just one example to open you to the world of AI and how companies and future technology can benefit from it. So now, another major tool that is used in the world of tech, especially for software developers, is the AI code editor called Cursor. So this tool helps developers write code a lot faster using AI. This tool has revolutionized coding. So your productivity as a coder just skyrockets when you use this tool, as it knows exactly what you're programming at least 20% of the time. And you can literally just describe what you need to accomplish in the built-in chat that utilizes Claude, which, if you don't know, Claude is like ChatGPT, but in the tech development community, Claude has proven to be better for coding, especially since it's integrated to Cursor. So the developer can make prompts inside this tool and the AI would write the code. This is very revolutionary, because back in the day, like 10 years ago, when I was first studying software development, we couldn't really imagine that we'd have such a tool. Now our productivity is increased by 2 to 5 times faster than before. And with such tools, the barrier to entry to become a software developer now is easier than before. And we will talk more about that in the upcoming sections. But this means that it's easier now and there's more opportunities than ever to jump into AI or development now. But AI is not just revolutionizing the tech industry within itself, but has a massive, large-scale external impact as well. So you have tools, you have AI tools like ثورة, which is creating video from text, or DALL-E, which is creating image from text, or now you have Operator, which is the first AI agent by OpenAI. And all these fall under the same OpenAI fountain of tools. These tools are impacting and used by millions of people. This is just an overview of top revolutionizing AI tools, but we will explore other applications that can be built through coding or through literally AI tools that uses just prompts to create applications for you without you having to write any single line of code. So we will literally be discussing these tools and how to use them in the upcoming sections. So AI can certainly revolutionize the world for the better. But what's the long-term, what's the long-form vision here, okay? So I want you to understand something important from a different perspective. So the future of AI, the very long vision, because sometimes we need to reverse engineer something to really understand where we might be going. So I bring this example from the movie Dune, which was one of my favorite movies that I watched. This movie is taking place in the year roughly 10,000. And what's surprising, if you read the background of this movie, is that it occurred after a catastrophic conflict known as the Butlerian Jihad, a war against thinking machines or sophisticated AI that humanity fought to prevent AI from enslaving or destroying humans. So actually, if you dive deep and study what some of the AI researchers in history have said and what they predict about AI in the future, this vision is aligned and does not seem unrealistic. But in this movie, we will see technology beyond AI, like, for example, human shields or interstellar travel is normal. So I just wanted to show you this perspective to widen your view on AI and technology in general. So we use the knowledge that we've been given to develop and use technology and AI carefully to serve humanity for the better always. So as a summary, what we will learn in this course, there's going to be 5 sections in this course. So section 1 is going to be Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So in module 1.1, which we are right now, we talked about the AI revolution and how it started. So then module 1.2, we're going to talk about AI and its vast fields. So we're going to dive deeper and learn more about the different fields in AI. And then module 3, we're going to talk about 1.3, the state of AI. We're going to talk about the current state of AI and the future state of AI. So you're more aware of where artificial intelligence is going. And in module 1.4, we're going to talk about how to make money with AI. I'm going to be discussing all the different ways you can make money with AI, all the way from easy to hard, and we're going to be diving deep into, whether you want to provide a service, whether you want to start a business, whether you want to help businesses, whether you want to develop applications. And I'm going to discuss each and every path and how you can get started so you can make money in the best opportunity with AI. And so we jump into then section 2. We're going to talk about AI technologies. So module 2.1, we're going to talk about AI tools. So we're going to, discuss some very popular AI tools that I use that is impacting millions of people. So you're more aware of these tools and you can use them in your daily lives, because we will have more and more AI tools in the future. And, just having that awareness with technology is important. So then in module 2.2, we're going to talk about development with AI. So what that means is we can use AI to develop websites or applications or mobile applications or a SaaS without actually needing to be a software developer, without you needing to code anything. You can just use these AI tools to create an application for you. So we're going to talk about all the different AI tools that you can use to develop software applications. Then section 3, we're going to talk about careers in AI. So module 3.1, we're going to talk about top AI careers of the future. So in the next 10 years, where AI is going and what are the positions that's going to be in AI. And then in module 3.2, we're going to talk about AI engineer versus machine learning engineer. So those two roles are the forefront of AI. So if you really want to get into AI and be at the forefront of AI engineering, those two roles might be more fitting to you. And then in module 3.3, we're going to talk about development in AI. So we're going to talk about the current challenges that is faced in AI, more specifically in development, in coding. So I'm going to be giving you examples of different problems that the AI industry is facing, so you get to have a closer look into development in AI. And then module 3.4, we're going to talk about how to become an AI engineer, which is, again, the forefront role of AI, and there's going to be a very high demand for AI engineers in the next 5 to 10 years. So it's a very important role that if you want to get into engineering, especially in tech, I think in my opinion, it's one of the best roles to be in. So, and then section 4 and 5, we're going to talk about, we're going to be developing an application in this program. So we're going to be practical and we're going to develop an application. So section 4, we're going to talk about all the tools for the conversational AI app that we're going to build. So I'm going to discuss the tools that we're going to use to build it. And then section 5, we're going to go ahead and finally build the conversational AI application. And so, and to give you an idea, you might have noticed that you can write and talk audio with ChatGPT. However, it does not talk back. Well, we're going to fix that with our conversational app, so it actually talks back to us. Plus, you can use this app idea and integrate it to your own application. And this overall will give you a solid intro to AI engineering. And so guys, the AI wave and gold rush is here, and you really need to take action, because this is where the future is heading in the next 5, 10, 20 years. AI is really going to revolutionize the world and is going to create the most wealth and most impact in the world. So you really need to take action and jump on this wave to change your life and benefit others in the best way possible. And I can't wait for you to be more AI knowledgeable and AI aware, so you can use it to change your life and the world for the better. And so this has been the intro to AI Charged, and let's dive deep and learn more about AI.